focus nito guys, ang concern na may-ari nito, sometimes ayaw daw mag-start, sometimes mag-start, sometimes ayaw mag-start. So nakita ninyo yung nilagay ko, nilagyan ko nila ng bagong turbado dito, turbado. And then nakita ko dito super is very low na yung here. Yeah. One scenario, there's no oil. Maybe do I top up the remaining oil on the other side, yeah, like half, and still see that? Yeah. Can see oil. So that needs oil. Braking service, and then another thing, it is new battery. That's acid. Yeah. So that's no good. That means the battery body has the leaking acid, so obviously it's not really good thing. Yeah. So that's the battery. The battery and it's the same 40 bucks, 40 W30 oil. Yeah, yeah. Okay? And that's it. Super, that's the key. And then I'm going, yeah? And then just this rubbish, is it? Yeah, yeah. Right.